National Weather Service in Honolulu has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the island of Oahu in Honolulu County until 3:15 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. At 2:46 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time, radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Pearl City, or 9 miles northwest of Honolulu, moving to the southeast at 10 miles per hour. Locations potentially impacted include Aiea, Honolulu, Salt Lake and Halawa. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building but away from windows.